In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Gmail with Zapier. We're going to create a seamless workflow so that every time someone submits your Google form, an email is automatically sent through Gmail. This is perfect for instant confirmations, notifications to your team, or personalized follow-ups. Start by heading to the Zapier homepage and sign in. You'll land on your dashboard, which is the control center for all automations, called Zaps. If this is your first time here, don't worry, everything we'll use is right on the home screen. Next, click the Create button and choose Zaps. This opens the Zap editor. At the top, it's helpful to give your Zap a clear name so you can find it later, like Google Forms to Gmail, Auto Reply. Naming doesn't change how it works, but it keeps your workspace organized. Now, begin with your trigger, the event that starts the automation. In the trigger search box, type and select Google Forms. For the trigger event, choose New Form Response. Connect your Google account if prompted and grant Zapier permission to read your forms. Then select the specific form you want to monitor. If you can, submit a quick test response to that form before continuing. In Zapier, click Test Trigger to pull in a recent submission. You'll see your form fields and sample data, which makes the next part much easier. Then set up your action, the thing you want to happen next, by selecting Gmail. Choose the Send Email Action event. Connect your Gmail account and authorize Zapier to send messages on your behalf. Now configure the email. In the To field, you can use a fixed email address or click into the field and insert a value from your form, like the respondent's email. Add a clear subject, and in the body, write your message. Use the Insert menu to personalize it with dynamic fields name, company, answers pulled directly from the form response. You can also set CC or BCC if needed. Choose plain text or HTML formatting, and specify a reply to address for smoother conversations. When everything looks good, click Test to send a sample email to yourself or a teammate. Review formatting and make sure all the mapped fields display correctly. If the test works, publish or turn on your Zap. From now on, new form submissions will trigger Gmail to send your configured message automatically. A few quick tips. Keep your subject concise to avoid spam filters, honor Gmail sending limits, and ensure you have consent before emailing respondents. That's it. Your Google Forms to Gmail automation is live and working.